Hello friends, how are you all? I hope so all are good and all things are also going good and well. So yes, let's start with the chapter motion and measurements of the distance. Motion and measurement of distance. Yes, we will. I think so. Up to units I have to complete it yesterday. Up to unit we have finished. Okay, so next is standard unit of measurements. Yes, we know about the unit. What is unit? Okay, so now it's time to learn the standard units of measurement. The standard units of measurements. Okay, so yes, in ancient time, length of foot, width of finger, or distance of steps. That means when in our ancient time, a year ago, there is no scale, no standard units, no measurements, nothing is there. People use their width of finger. Does this much width? Then like this. This is this much. And the length of the hand or distance of this foot, how many steps we have to take up to from a house to the other home. You can say from our house to our nanny house, there are 10 foot steps distances there. This is the examples of that. In ancient time, people will measurement the distance or anything, length, width, distance, whatever they want to measure, they will use their body parts. Okay. You can say in simple language we can say that पुराने टाइम में लोग अपने हाथ की लंबाई, उंगली की चौड़ाई और यू कैन से कितने कदम, एक घर से दूसरे घर कितने कदम की दूरी पे है, इस चीज़ को फॉलो करते थे किसी भी चीज़ की मेजरमेंट करने के लिए. उसके बाद हमारे स्टैंडर्ड यूनिट्स आए. उससे पहले कोई स्टैंडर्ड यूनिट्स नहीं थे. सो इन दिस वैली civilization, first of all, in this valley civilization have very good measurements, because they are give evidence of perfectly geometrical construction. Why we say that they are very good in measurement? Because they show the evidence of geometrical construction, that firstly they measure each and everything, then they make the construction, geometrical construction, then they start the construction of the anything. So that's why we can say that in this valley civilization have very good measurements at their time. It means जो इंडस वैली सिविलाइजेशन में पीपल थे उनकी बहुत अच्छी मेजरमेंट्स थी. क्यों? बिकॉज उनके पास एविडेंस थे, यू कैन से प्रूफ थे कि दे आर परफेक्टली ज्योमेट्रिकल कंस्ट्रक्शन. उन्होंने बहुत अच्छी कंस्ट्रक्शंस करी थी. दैट्स वाई उनकी जो मेजरमेंट्स थी वो काफ़ी अच्छी, काफ़ी बेटर थी. बिकॉज कंस्ट्रक्शन बिना मेजरमेंट के पॉसिबल नहीं है. So for construction we want a perfectly measurement, that this much is the you can say this much is one room, how much length of the roof, how much length of the wall. So हमें एक घर बनाने के लिए perfectly construction चाहिए. तो वो इंडस वैली सिविलाइजेशन के पास थी, इसलिए इसके पास कंस्ट्रक्शन की जियोमेट्रिकल कंस्ट्रक्शन परफेक्ट था. That's why they are very good in measurements. Okay. 1 cubic is equal to length from elbow. That means 1 cubic is from length from this elbow to this fingertip. This is 1 cubic in our ancient time. In our ancient time, from this point to this point, this is our 1 cubic. Okay. तो अपना 1 cubic कहाँ था? अपने elbow से लेके अपने fingertip तक. Accepted as unit as in other part of world. And this also accepted in the other part of the world. That means in Indian in ancient time measurements are not, as you can say, for our sake of easiness. No, they are also accepted as in other part of the world. That means जो अपने एल्बो से फिंगर टिप तक 1 क्यूबिक जो हमने लेंथ को मेजर किया वो एक्सेप्ट की गई वर्ल्ड के अदर पार्ट्स में भी. ओके. सो इट नॉट फॉर सेक कि हमें अपने इजी के लिए, एंशिएंट टाइम में लोगों ने अपने इजी मेजरमेंट करने के लिए किसी भी चीज़ को 1 क्यूबिक रख दिया. नहीं, इट्स एक्सेप्टेड ऑल्सो. ओके. Foot, yard, these are also two examples by which people will measure the things, and they both are accepted as in our word in other parts also, that they are the logical units of the things. Okay. Up to here any problem? In both language, up to here in any problem? Okay. In ancient India, मतलब अपने पुराने इंडिया में उंगल, that means finger, उंगल like this, कितना उंगल है? 4 उंगल, 8 उंगल, 12 उंगल. पुराने टाइम में लोग ऐसे मेजर करते थे. और यू कैन से हाउ मेनी फिंगर्स? 4 फिंगर, 8 फिंगर, 12 फिंगर. दीज आर द एग्जाम्पल्स और दीज आर द मेथड ऑफ मेजरमेंट इन आवर एंशिएंट इंडिया. ओके. और मुट्ठी, that means this mutti, this mutti, this mutti. They will measure these things as they comfortable with the help of the hand like this or like ungal or mutti. Whatever they use, these are the method of their in their ancient time. Okay, so मुट्ठी और अंगुल को यूज़ करना उनके टाइम में उनकी अपनी मेजरमेंट थी, अपना तरीका था, उन्होंने कैसे भी यूज़ किया. Sorry. Many body parts continue to be used as unit of length. Yes. Today also, in today life also, there are many parts. You can say many body parts are used as the unit of length. When we go to any shopkeeper, they will measure cloth like this. Like this. Okay. So many body parts today also use as the length. I mean to say that अपने body parts आज भी बहुत जगह पे यूज हो रहे हैं एज अ यूनिट ऑफ लेंथ. दैट मीन्स अगर आप किसी कपड़े के शॉपकीपर के पास जाओगे, आपको क्लॉथ मार्केट जाओगे, तो दे विल मेजर क्लॉथ लाइक दिस. मैम कितना चाहिए, ऐसे दे विल मेजर लाइक दिस. ओके, सो टुडे ऑल्सो वी यूज different body parts, different measurement. Yes, we don't have the same body. All people have different type of body, different measurement. So all have different unit of length. That's why हर इंसान की बॉडी डिफरेंट है, डिफरेंट मेजरमेंट्स होगी. इन डिफरेंट कंक्लूजन की वजह से वी हैव टू मेक अ स्टैंडर्ड यूनिट ऑफ मेजरमेंट. एंड देन 1970 फ्रेंच स्टैंडर्ड यूनिट मैट्रिक सिस्टम. दैट मीन्स इन कंफ्यूजन की वजह से ही इन 1970 में फ्रांस विल इंट्रोड्यूस स्टैंडर्ड यूनिट्स दैट इज कॉल्ड मैट्रिक सिस्टम. Standard unit that is called metric system. That means France will develop a new standard units of all things, and that system is known as metric system. System is known as standard unit or SI unit. That means standard international units. The main unit which is used in everywhere in each question, the unit जो हर जगह यूज होगी, mainly जो किलोमीटर, सेंटीमीटर, मीटर, these all units will come into the category of SI unit. The units which we use in our daily life, these all are come under the SI unit section. Okay? So जितने भी हम अपने डेली यूज में यूनिट्स यूज करते हैं वो सब SI यूनिट के उसमें आती हैं. कोई SI यूनिट में आती है, कोई अदर यूनिट्स नहीं होती. क्लियर अप टू हियर? लेट्स स्टार्ट विद द डिफरेंट एग्जांपल्स ऑफ SI यूनिट. अब हम एग्जांपल करेंगे SI यूनिट के. एनी प्रॉब्लम टिल हियर? ओके. So yes, what are the SI units? We have to take example of some things. Length, SI unit of length is meter. That means SI unit of length is meter. We have to measure length in always in meter. Okay. So SI unit of length is meter. 15 centimeter scale is always available in your geometric box and when you are in school. That means if you are present in 6th class. So you have 15 centimeter scale in your geometric box. Okay. So SI unit of length is meter. Okay, clear? तो SI unit जो length की है वो that is meter. 15 centimeter scale आपकी geometric box में I think so each and every time present होगा. So take an example how the units will convert into other unit. 1 meter is equal to 100 centimeter. That means 1 meter. That means 1 meter is equal to 100 centimeter के equal होता है. How? 1 meter is equal 100 equal division. That means if this is 1 meter, then there are 100 parts of 1 meter which are equal in size, and that is known as 100 centimeter. Okay, 1 meter is 100 centimeter. मतलब 1 meter equally 100 parts में divide किया गया तो 100 centimeter बन गया. 1 centimeter is equal to 10 millimeter. 1 centimeter, that means this is 1 centimeter. 10 parts में equally divide किया तो 10 millimeter बन गया. That means 1 meter is equal to 100 centimeter and 1 centimeter is equal to 10 millimeter. Equally division will be there. These both units are used for small distances, but for large distance we need a large unit. That means छोटे distance के लिए short distance we will use this. Short distance के लिए 1 meter centimeter easily available, but large distance के लिए हमें large unit चाहिए, that is kilometer. The largest unit in our SI system is large kilometer. SI सिस्टम में लार्जर यूनिट इज किलोमीटर. 1 किलोमीटर इज इक्वल टू 1000 मीटर. 1 kilometer is equal to 1000 meter. Clear up to here? Yeah. Any problem till here? In both language I will try to explain because there are some language issues. I know that. But if you think that something is misconception or you can say misleading is there, so please tell me by comment section. I will surely solve this thing. Yes, this topic is complete. Come to the next topic. Correct measurement of length. Correct measurement of length. That we will know the unit of length. हमें पता चल गया what are the unit of length. So we will now we want measure correct measure of length. तो हम measure करना है. We want to measure length. Okay. So scale different, suitable use. That means that these are 2 points that scale are different. For a tree, scale is different. For a you can say for a copy measurement, copy of length of a copy. If you want to measure, we will use the 15 centimeter scale which is available in our geometry books. But for a tree, we will not use our 15 centimeter scale. So scales are also different. Different use, different suitable things are there. I mean to say that कि if we want to measure, if हम tree को measure करेंगे, if we wanted to measure a tree, तो हम different scale use करेंगे. अगर हमें अपने कोई कॉपी को मेजर करना है तो हम डिफरेंट स्केल यूज करेंगे. सो स्केल डिफरेंट सुटेबल होते हैं. किसी ट्री पे डिफरेंट स्केल यूज होगा और यू कैन से कॉपी पे डिफरेंट स्केल यूज होगा. ओके. स्टेप करेक्ट मेजरमेंट ऑफ लेंथ. तो करेक्ट मेजरमेंट ऑफ लेंथ कैसे की जाए? आई विल एक्सप्लेन बाय द डायग्राम. या आई नो माई ड्राइंग इज सो पुअर. मेरी ड्राइंग बहुत गंदी है बट फोकस ऑन द कंसेप्ट. दिस इज आवर बॉक्स. We want to measure this box. Focus here, this is very important thing. We want to measure this box. This is our scale. We have to put this scale like this. Okay. Starting point is here 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay. And one more. This is first example. This is second case. And if we put our scale like this, so which is correct? I think so first is correct. If we want to measure the box, we have to put the scale like this, not like this. So this is our correct position, this is our wrong position. ये correct position है, ये wrong position है because scale हमेशा इस horizontally perfectly straight रखा जाएगा. Never put your scale in vertically or you can say slant height. Okay. केस नंबर फर्स्ट क्लियर टू ऑल ऑफ यू? कोई प्रॉब्लम केस फर्स्ट में? स्केल हमेशा हॉरिजॉन्टली स्ट्रेट रखा जाएगा किसी भी चीज़ को मेजर करने के लिए. कभी भी स्केल वर्टिकली या स्लांट हाइट में नहीं रखा जाएगा. वर्टिकली आई मीन टू से लाइक दिस विल बी अवेलेबल, दिस विल बी बट इन अ स्ट्रेट लाइन. ओके. वर्टिकली स्ट्रेट लाइन रख सकते हैं, वर्टिकली स्लांट में नहीं रख सकते आप. सो दैट रख सकते हैं बट दैट इज नॉट द परफेक्ट, यू कैन से परफेक्ट मेजरमेंट ऑफ एनीथिंग. ओके. सेकेंड ऑप्शन इज सेकेंड केस. व्हेन वी पुट आवर स्केल लाइक दिस, व्हेन वी पुट आवर स्केल लाइक दिस, सो व्हाट वी हैव टू डू? 0 is starting from here or 0 is starting from here. Which case is suitable? I think so first is correct. Because we have to measure from here to here. We will not want to measure from here to here because box is this, not this. Okay. I mean to say that अगर हमें ये बॉक्स मेजर करना है तो स्केल उसके फर्स्ट एंड पॉइंट से लेके सेकेंड एंड पॉइंट पे रखना है. फर्स्ट एंड पॉइंट यहाँ है, उसके बाहर इफ यू पुट योर स्केल देन हाउ यू मेजर द करेक्ट लेंथ ऑफ योर बॉक्स? You will not able to measure the correct length of your box. So always put your scale like in this condition. Never put your scale in this condition. Okay. So scale हमेशा इस पोजीशन में रख के आप मेजर करें. कभी भी इस तरीके से स्केल को रख के मेजर ना करें. This is correct, wrong. This is wrong situation. This is correct situation. It will not give you the perfect measurement. ये आपको perfect measurement नहीं देगा. Third option. This is our scale and this is the point. This is the length of the scale up to from here to here. So we will want to note down the scale length of the box. हमें बॉक्स की लेंथ पता चल गई. अब हम उसे नोट करना चाह रहे हैं तो we will have to see from the front. That is, this is the point. We want to see Wait. This is our scale. This is the point of our length of our scale. This much. So we will able to see from here. Not from here. And not from here. Okay. We will look at the straight. That means जो point हमारा measurement जो आई है वो हमें बिल्कुल straight forward देखना है, ना right side से ना left side से. That is the correct method of the measurement of the length. Okay. I think so clear to all of you. This board topic clear to all of you. Standard units also and correct measurement of length also. Clear? Okay. Come to the next topic. Yes, our next topic is measuring the length of a covered line. Measuring the length of a covered line. Yes, you can measure the length of a straight line very easily by using your scale. Okay. This is our line. You will put here a scale here and you will measure the distance of the length of the line. Okay. Now question is you have to measure the covered line. That means A and B. AB is a covered line. You have to measure the length of this line. आपको covered line की length measure करनी है. How you will measure? Cannot measure by meter scale. It will not measure by the meter scale. So what thing you have to use? Yes, we have to use a thread. Okay. हम एक thread use करेंगे. Put your thread up on the point A. Put your thread up over there. Move the thread in the position of like your line will move. At the end of your point B, cut your thread. Sorry. From starting to point A, take your thread in the shape of the line, and at the ending point, put your thread in the same shape of the line and cut that thread from here. Okay, you have the length of the measure by covered line by measuring the thread. That means जहाँ पे फ्रॉम वेयर योर लाइन स्टार्ट, जहाँ पॉइंट ए से आपकी लाइन स्टार्ट हो रही है आप अपना थ्रेड वहाँ रखेंगे और जहाँ पे ख़त्म हो रही है लाइक पॉइंट बी वहाँ तक थ्रेड को बिल्कुल सेम एग्जैक्टली शेप में वहाँ तक आप मूव करते रहेंगे. एट पॉइंट बी व्हेन यू कम एट द पॉइंट बी पे आके आप थ्रेड को तोड़ देंगे. दैट मीन्स इन ओके नाउ यू हैव अ थ्रेड इन द एज मच लाइक दिस मच थ्रेड यू हैव फ्रॉम पॉइंट ए टू पॉइंट बी. आपके पास कुछ एक लेंथ का थ्रेड आ जाएगा पॉइंट ए से पॉइंट बी के बीच का. आप उस थ्रेड को स्केल के ऊपर रख के मेजर कर सकते हैं. दैट मीन्स यू विल पुट द थ्रेड ऑन द स्केल. You will put the thread on the scale and you will measure the length of the covered line. Because the thread you have is the proper length of that covered line. The thread you have give you the proper length of the covered line. Because you will put the thread exactly in the shape of the covered line. So it will be total length of the covered line. तो जो थ्रेड आपने स्केल पे पुट किया वो प्रॉपरली आपको ए बी लाइन की डिस्टेंस और यू कैन से लेंथ बता देगा. इजिली यू विल recognize the length of the covered line. Clear up to here? That's very easy to measure the length of a covered line by using a thread. Simple. Put the thread on these points and you will measure by using a scale. Okay. So yes, for today this is enough. Tomorrow we will continue from here. I think so 1 or 2 topics are left only of this chapter. Okay. Revise till here. Okay. Thank you.